Regal Rexnord is a driving force behind progress in industries ranging from smart cities to advanced manufacturing. And by unifying dozens of brands under a single intelligent experience with Sitecore AI, they're redefining what digital transformation means. Leading this transformation is Tim Dixon, Chief Digital and Information Officer. And Tim's vision is to bring technology and business closer together, creating seamless, human-centered digital experiences. Please join me in welcoming Tim to the stage.
Thanks for having me, Roger. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Morning, everyone.
Tim is, by the way, the most kind of energetic technology leader I've ever seen in my life. So let's
go.
Tim, you've described the relationship between Regal Rexnord and Sitecore as a true partnership and one that's really transformational.
Mm-hmm.
And so in those terms, what does partnership mean to you and how has it helped shape your journey so far?
Yeah, Sitecore's been a great partnership of mine since joining the company 2 years ago, and I really define true partnership in 3 different ways. Number one is their mutual trust and a shared vision, and as a new guy 2 years ago joining the company, I certainly wanted a partner that we could trust, and Sitecore has definitely demonstrated that. Number two, I didn't want a transactional partnership, I wanted a transformational partnership. And that meant Sitecore needed to show me some investment in the beginning for some bigger gains down the road. Sitecore, in fact, sponsored my first ever hackathon in January 2024 at my digital office in Chicago. So that showed that they were interested in partnering with me and being my business partner long term. And then last but not least, there's an aspect of being a partner that has more strategic relationships from a product perspective. So connecting as a customer with your product teams, working through your co-innovation programs, and showing that there's potentially some co-development and some IP that we could potentially build together, given that shared vision. So it's been a great partnership, and as a demonstration of that partnership, I present to the board of directors at Regal Rexnord every other quarter, and Sitecore has been a part of my digital transformation strategy and update to the board of directors for the past 2 years. And I certainly wouldn't present a partner to the board that I didn't trust. And so the good side and the bad side of that is now we're both on the hook to make this transformation happen. So thank you in advance for that, Roger.
No pressure. I mean, last thing, that's one thing I wanted was another board presentation. You talked about the importance of upskilling your team and moving from on-prem to cloud, microservices and headless. Talk to this group really about the biggest challenges in that transformation, maybe something that you're the most proud of.
Yeah, transformation is about culture. It is a cultural shift to a digital mindset and painting a picture to your team of a digital future. When I joined Regal Rexnord 2 years ago, I inherited an on-prem team, an on-premise team. So how could I leverage AI? How could we leverage cloud to make this transformation to microservices and headless architecture with XM Cloud possible? That hackathon that was hosted in Chicago helped show the art of the possible to my team that it could be done. They participated with a partner of mine, Kogify, who's here today, a Ukrainian partner, helped show the art of the possible with the team, helped upskill them and build this, sort of co-create this digital foundation that we have now with XM Cloud. And from the early days to where we are now, we've deployed 8 family brand sites that are driving business and brand recognition across the globe. And I can't be more proud of the partnership. And from Kogify and myself, we won a Digital Impact Award last night, so we have a nice award to show for it as well. Thank you. The other aspect that I like to showcase with my team, it's not just about the transformation. I wanted them to grow in their careers. So I asked that they get certified in XM Cloud, not just work on the product, but become a true product expert and a true SME to demonstrate that career growth and trajectory. And when I went over to visit my team in Hyderabad, India, in July, I got a picture of my 10 newly certified XM Cloud Sitecore developers, got a picture of them, and I texted it to Eric and showed them how proud I was of the team and the partnership. So that goes a long way in that regard as well. So when you think about Regal Rexnord being headquartered in Milwaukee and having a Milwaukee, Wisconsin team, when you think about a digital hackathon in Chicago, when you think about a Ukrainian partner in an Indian development team in Hyderabad, guys, that's a global transformation story if I've ever heard of one right there.
It's amazing, and I can attest to the pride that you have for your team. I mean, I've also seen that picture. You're very proud
Love my team.
Of your team and it really shows in everything you do.
The team is the reason why I'm up here today, so I know some of my folks are recording this, so we're going to show it to the team. Very, very proud of the team.
Amazing.
Yep.
At the heart of your new digital experience is really personalization and storytelling are kind of key to that new experience. You know, can you share a little bit of an example of how you're using AI to kind of deliver a more human and relevant kind of a connection?
Yeah, absolutely. AI is a big part of what we do, and we're doing a ton with it. And Sitecore AI has really been a game changer for us and for me. So we leverage Sitecore AI and AI in general to make it easier for customers to do business with Regal Rexnord in a digital fashion. In any way, shape, or form, making it easier to do business allows that sort of top-line growth to eventually come from our customer set. So the very first thing that we partnered with Sitecore on way back when in the early days is if you go out to our regalrexnord.com XM Cloud website, you'll see Rexy. Rexy is our generative AI chatbot that sits on the bottom right-hand side of the website. Started off as basically just a Q&A chatbot, a couple of years ago, and now is really transformed into a conversational AI and game changer for our OEMs and distributors to find information that they're looking for and eventually buy products from us. So very, very positive, very proud of the accomplishments with that. We also leverage Sitecore AI to drive personalization based on behavior, customer profile, and geographic location. This drives international and global web traffic to the site, so getting more people to find out more about our brands. And then last but not least, we leverage Sitecore AI to develop AI-powered product recommendations. And so who's been on Amazon.com and has bought the customers like you have also purchased these pants, these shoes, these shirts. It's the same equivalent of that in a B2B setting, but in the context of electric motor or an engine. And so that has been a game changer for us. So all of these things wouldn't happen without that true partnership. And so I'm very thankful of Sitecore. We co-created this digital platform. They've helped me move my team from an on-prem team to a digital team of the future, and we're leveraging AI to do some wonderful things. So just happy to be here and share those stories with you guys.
Amazing, amazing story. Thank you so much, Tim.
Thank you, Roger.
Thanks
Appreciate
for joining
it.
me.
Thank you, everybody.